Picture a midnight billboard flashing 0% intro APR, 18 months. For many, that headline reads like oxygen. It promises freedom. No interest, faster principal paydown, and a shot at getting ahead. But the truth is darker and quieter. That zero can be a blessing or a debt trap, depending on 3 numbers, your timing, and a handful of contract clauses most people scroll past. Let's start with the mechanics. An introductory APR is a temporary promotional interest rate applied to purchases, balance transfers, or both for a defined period. During that window, payments go toward principal, not interest, which is why this looks so attractive. Typical intro windows run from 6 to 21 months, depending on the issuer and the offer. This wide range means you must pick a promo length that fits a realistic payoff calendar. But every promotion has a cost and a hook. The most common cost is the balance transfer fee, usually 2% to 5% of the transferred amount. 3% is common. That fee is usually added to the new balance immediately, raising the starting point of what you must pay down. Think of it as a one-time ticket price to ride the interest-free window. If the fee eats up the interest you'd otherwise avoid, the math can flip in favor of staying put rather than moving balances. So before you apply, run the 3-number test: transfer fee, balance times fee percent, what you pay up front. Promo length, months. How many months of 0% you actually get? Payoff monthly equals the balance plus the transfer fee divided by the promo months. The discipline number. If you can't commit reliably to pay off monthly, the promo becomes cosmetic. Example: $10,000 at 24% APR costs roughly $2,400 in interest over a year. A 3% balance transfer fee would be $300. A fair trade if you can pay down the balance aggressively during the 0% intro period. Regular APR, which is often much higher, wiping out benefits. Now the fatal mistakes, the traps that turn a tactical move into a disaster. Trap 1. Transfer fees that erode savings. A 5% fee on a large balance can be thousands up front. Always compare the fee to the interest avoided over the promo period. If the fee plus behavioral risk exceeds the expected interest savings, the transfer is not worth it. Trap 2. Void triggers and penalty APRs. Many issuers specify that a late payment or returned payment can void the intro APR or trigger a penalty APR. Penalty APRs can be very high and sometimes apply retroactively. In short, never miss a payment while you're on a promo. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, has highlighted issuer powers around penalties and late fees, and the industry's use of behavior-based repricing. Treat the promotional window as conditional. Trap 3. New purchases on the promo card. Adding new purchases to a transfer card can complicate interest treatment. Some cards apply regular APR to purchases while the transferred balance sits at 0% or vice versa, destroying the expected grace period. Operationally, treat any 0% card as paydown only until you're clear. Trap 4. Reported utilization spikes. When you move a large balance to a card with a limited credit line, the reported utilization on that card may spike and temporarily lower your score. Score impact is driven by utilization across all revolving credit, and issuers report at different times, often on or shortly after the statement close date. Timing your payments before the close date reduces the reported balance and mitigates score damage. Let's bring facts into the behavior. Payment history is the single biggest scoring factor, about 35% of many scoring models, and amounts owed, utilization, are around 30%. That means missing a single payment or showing high utilization during a reporting snapshot can cost far more than the one-time transfer fee saved. That's why discipline around payment timing is the non-negotiable skill here. Now the operational pre-flight checklist, what you must confirm, and, if possible, get in writing before accepting any 0% deal, exact transfer fee, dollar and percent, and whether it's waived for targeted offers. Promo length for the exact balance type you're moving. Purchases versus transfers may differ. Whether a missed payment voids the promo and whether interest can be applied retroactively. When the issuer reports balances to the bureaus, schedule payments before that date to lower reported utilization. Equifax and Experian Confirm reporting timing varies by issuer and often revolves around the statement close date. Max transferable amount and whether your requested transfer will be fully accepted. A commitment to make no new purchases on the promo card until the balance is cleared. Run a small spreadsheet. Balance plus fee divided by promo months equals monthly target. If that target is realistic and you can maintain it even if something unexpected happens, the offer is a tool. If it's fragile, you're gambling. Finally, the psychology. Promos invite complacency. People see 0% and unconsciously widen their spending habits. The mantra for this window must be 0% card equals payoff tool, not a spending tool. Use it only for debt you would have paid anyway faster. Don't let it be permission to spend more. This part gives you the mental framework and the cold numbers. Next half will convert this into an exact execution plan. Scripts to request and document transfers, payment calendars tied to reporting dates, rescue tactics if you miss a payment, when chaining promos is smart, rare, and a 2-year blueprint for actually reducing principal while protecting your credit. 𝐲𝐻consultant.com has the downloadable payoff calculators and printable checklists that make the math painless if you want the templates I used for examples. The execution manual, scripts, calendars, rescue plans, and 2-year payoff playbook. You've passed the 3-number test and decided to proceed. This is the field manual, exact scripts, timing hacks, monitoring checklists, rescue protocols, and a 2-year payoff blueprint that turns the 0% window into a win, not a trap. This is tactical, and it's unforgiving if you skip steps. Rule 0. Treat the promo as a project with a schedule, backup, and documentation. If business leaders treat initiatives seriously, treat this like that. Set a calendar, set reminders, and have a contingency fund. Projects succeed when they're managed. Step 1. Shop like a surgeon. How to compare offers. Score candidate cards on 5 axes, 1 to 10, promo length, transfer fee, max transferable amount, reporting behavior/tools, post-promo APR. Prioritize promo length only if the fee and limits make operational sense. Experian notes. Promo windows usually run 6 to 21 months, so longer windows can be strategic, but only if you can use them to finish the debt. The payoff is a quiet, business-like moment. The final payment posts, statements show $0, and your utilization dips. These are small, incremental victories, not drama. Use a project approach, spreadsheet, calendar, documentation, rescue plan, and the discipline to treat the promo as a tool. If you want the exact payoff spreadsheets, transcript scripts, or the printable calendar that makes execution fail-proof, visit 𝐲𝐻consultant.com. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.